Hi, welcome to English Listening World Intensive Listening Practice Podcast. Today we're going to do the last sentence, sentence number 12, from the story Sarah's Morning. Let me say the sentence. Now she feels ready and excited. Now she feels ready and excited. Now she feels ready and excited. Good. With our regular rhythm in English, it would go like this. Now she feels ready and excited. Now she feels ready and excited. Now she feels ready and excited. Okay, so we get three strong words, strongly pronounced words, three strong beats, and they are now, ready, excited. Now, ready, excited. And with that, we can start to imagine the general meaning of the sentence. We need to look at the reductions, liaison, and consonant clusters to get deeper into the sentence. Let's see, do we have any reductions? Yeah, we do. And becomes n. So it loses the d sound. That often happens with and. Okay, now after that there's no more reductions, but we have liaison. There is a liaison between and excited, and excited, and excited, and excited. Okay, are there any other liaison? No, but we have one consonant cluster, and that's with feels and ready. Feels ends with uz, ready, r, uzret, ready, feels ready, feels ready, feels ready. So we get that consonant cluster of uzr all together in one clump. That's about it for the difficult points in this sentence. Now we can just put it all together with shadowing. I'll repeat it 3 times and you can say your words right on top of mine and shadow along with me. Now she feels ready and excited. Now she feels ready and excited. Now she feels ready and excited. Good work. I think that's just the start. You need to practice a lot. Go and do intensive listening practice with the shadowing about 20 times. 20 times is a good target to aim for. You can find a link in the description below. Go to that page for shadowing practice 20 times. That's your homework. And that will help you master this sentence. That's it for today. I'd like to thank you for listening and good luck with your listening practice.